now welcome back. Now see the late night show. Easy bit, you see things. You sit. You dey whisper to me just now when we go on break. Say Ogbolo. You dey see what I dey see for this video.
No, of course I see this for that video.
So now when they ask me, like, I don't look up like
I don't follow the person with it on top of Instagram again. Once he finish, the
person ain't follow me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a following things now.
Based on the night father way.
Based on the night father way, you understand? Just based on the night father things. Nothing serious, nothing much.
Maybe I come show one of these days now.
Maybe I come show Abi. And that day you spread bed for you.
Oh yeah.
And you just have to enter that level. Late night show. Well, now welcome back, all right? So right now, we don't carry one very beautiful babe. Enter the host. Why they shout?
I don't know.
Just misbehave. We don't carry one very beautiful babe. Enter inside the studio. Easy be put on that lay for year. You know, so it's supposed to be
follow him.
Yes, you don't late, no worry. But don't carry one very, very beautiful girl, lady, enter inside the whole show. As it be like this now, no say they watch Clinic Matters. And this particular babe, now one of the plenty nuts there, all those nuts they're fine. They don't carry fine nuts, they do all this.
Understand.
Now they make people they watch it. Say, wow, see this fine nuts there. You never get those kind of situations where nuts put you for work for hospital. You only go to the form checkup.
No, now my friend it happened to me.
Now your friend. All right, so on top that particular level, we get Nurse Titi where there's a as on top Clinic Matters. But ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Naomi Ihemelu inside the building with us. Easy bito. Okay, I won't say Titi, no, but I just leave her for Naomi. Naomi, how far now? Okay, no. See, with Easy Bit, play music.
Okay.
You play music. See, we know so for this show, packaging is never in our book. You understand? We know the full packaging. She play the music. I mean, welcome. I love your pink.
Oh, thank you very
much. Now, your best color be that?
One of my best colors.
One of your best color. Which other color follow again?
Blue and white.
White, blue and white. That one plenty. Now the blue not my own. You know, so okay, I see the blue, I see the pink, I see the blue. Where the white is gone there? Okay.
You did it.
The eternal, you know. But anyway, now people will get mind if you get white from in a cocoa, so not try you. If you don't get mind, now black all the way. All the way. Naomi, welcome.
Thank you
now,
very much.
You as the actor, actress where you be, Clinic Matters. Aside that one, you don't do several other works them way they out there.
Yes, of course. I've done a lot of jobs, a couple of movies and other TV series.
Okay, and other TV series then where your ring where they for your nose. They press them or they just clip them for that place?
It's actually
now you speak pidgin English now.
It's removable.
Okay, then they remove them. I know they ask a question, see they interpret for people. I know they play that, they interpret. Because we don't say which side they come from?
I'm from Anambra.
Anambra, so you feel greet people for your language, Abi?
Sure.
Okay, so just hear your people there. All the Anambra people there, we're not picking there yet, so just hate them.
Dalu no.
Anambra kelemu no, Abi?
Yeah.
Now. Dalu
no. I don't make a no. My Anambra peeps. I love you all.
I said she want to yo. She want to peace yo. Anyway, you know, but they say you have to speak pidgin though, because people they watch for us now, they want hear Naomi they knock the pidgin because they see una things on top Clinic Matters now. Not be now everybody they should say this thing they touch somewhere. Me when I do now Clinic Matters things. So right now. Now show clip. Okay, because they worry me for a year. Say they want show clip. Oh yeah, someone could show clip now, and if someone will come back, we'll see continue with Naomi. For you, how Clinic Matters, how you take fall into that particular level? Because now, to me, now one of the best, I know we call it sitcom, but now soaps rather.
It's also a sitcom.
It's also a sitcom, Abi. All right. So, but for you, how you take falling with this particular crew? How the home take? We cannot say before then you don't do other forms of acting.
Yes. Before I did Clinic Matters, I did a movie that acted as a nurse also.
Okay. One movie done first the way you act as nurse.
Yes, titled When You Are Mine.
Okay.
So the producer of Clinic Matters saw the movie, and then he invited me for an audition for Clinic Matters. That was
Okay.
when he wanted to start the program.
Okay.
And we were over 400 girls, and we were auditioned, and he needed just 3 girls for the role.
Okay.
And by the grace of God,
And so you say just falling like that.
I was one of the 3 girls.
By the grace of God. By the grace of God. And so far for you, now you go try this pidgin, you know. I think even if you not fit to blend, oh, you both call your speak pidgin, you know. Not be joke. So even if you do to, you can also some people they don't know if you speak and stretch. Maybe shook and somewhere. You understand? Me they form encouraging for my fellow sister. You understand me now?
Okay.
So now, this since you start to do this clinic matter, because I know say this thing can't go big. Because I know say you don't people they watch and they come,
Yeah,
they watch
very,
and they
very
come,
well.
they watch and they come. How it done be for you since this clinic matter start? Say things, major things them come they follow for back, still based on your talent where you don't showcase on top of this particular soap/sitcom.
Of course, so many other opportunities have rolled in, you know. I've gotten open doors
Okay.
through
okay.
that, and through it, I've been able to get more roles in the movie industry.
okay.
I don't have to go for auditioning again, except they are like table casting or
Okay.
stuff like that.
Okay. Shut up, you. What's wrong with you? They worry everybody for the sets. Hey, Jerry, my dear, they hear you.
So since then, now as CDB, it's been work,
Major things
work,
I don't
work.
have. But
Yes.
nominations don't follow.
Nominations,
For-
yes,
for-
for Clinic Matters. We've won lots of awards.
Okay.
Plenty.
Okay.
There's no nominations that we don't win the award.
Okay.
And I give God the glory.
So, but I also believe say from this particular one, major thing, some other things that will still follow for back. I mean, when it comes to because we see your acting and other you and the rest of the crew, Lillian. Okay, no be Lillian, sorry anymore. Lillian.
They don't carry on.
They don't carry on. They don't buy the market and everything. And your they come, my dear, all they come. You understand? You
Thank
never
you.
know it might be here. You understand? If the Lord is speaking to you, my sister, hearken unto the voice.
Yeah.
You understand me now?
Okay.
Hearken unto the voice. Why are you going to do face like that? Man?
I'm wondering, you said it might be here. Is it you or DJ or I don't know?
we plenty for here now. We plenty.
Energy
See,
and
everywhere.
all of Dore.
Yeah, you know, everywhere plenty. Even for back of camera, they come from my ear. We there, yo.
They here.
The cameraman, everybody shout. All right, but quickly now, which project you did on aside this one? Any particular project we did on board now?
Yes, I'm starting a shoot over the weekend.
Okay.
Yes, it's a major project
Okay.
from HP Entertainment.
Okay.
Yes, and I read the script overnight. I fell in love with the story. I fell in love with my character. I can't wait to be on that set. It's challenging. It's something new for me, and I can't wait to act it and see if I can deliver it.
Can deliver. Wetin be the thing wey as actor because I know say for Yankee actors dey do anything o. Dem fit comot cloth.
Anything.
Just dey like this, you know, based on the kind of money wey involve for the whole thing. Shey you go fit enter those kind challenging roles. Say now they say Naomi, we get so and so million to boom give you for this particular role, but as the actor for that role, you got to comot cloth, you got to just do some kind of things. Maybe they will kiss you finish. Una go even do like
you
your
kiss
things
another
and
lady.
everything. Just they'll shop your lips, different things. So you go still involved.
I'm a Nollywood actor.
Okay.
I'm not a Hollywood actress.
Okay.
You know, and from where I am from, my culture means a whole lot to me. So I can't go nude for any amount of money just because I want to act.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
but we can make believe. It can look real, but
Yes.
I wouldn't do that behind the camera.
No,
Yes.
if on set now they really talk. Say even on because
I can't do behind camera, so I cannot do on set.
okay. Like my tell phone, you put your hands together for it. Because you don't make a point, no. Because the same way, you know, different people for different things. Some people go say, nah, I mean, it's professional. I mean, they say, make I come on cloth, you know. But everybody at their own. You now, you hold your own culture tight.
Yeah.
Say, no, I not fit do this kind of thing, no. I will see, behave myself. Very beautiful, very beautiful. And on a good day, what's be your kind of music?
Hip hop,
Hip-hop,
R&B.
R&B. Okay, so but you get any trace of music inside you? But once me you sing now, because it be like you get voice you go fit sing. You know those kind of voice.
I don't know how to sing.
You know how
That's
to
the
sing.
truth.
Okay,
but I love
dance-
music.
Dance, music, which one we are on again? Dance, music, and laughing. Which one you sabi pass for the three?
Laughing.
Laughing. Okay. Which kind? You say different people they laugh. Different kind of laugh. Some people they laugh, they knock you for body. If the type of they laugh, they roll for ground. The type of they laugh, they hit people for body. Or the type of they laugh, they cover mouth.
I can tap you if you're right close to me.
That means we sit down far. Because some people, if you see people, they laugh. You say, they give them, say, Now, quickly, Naomi, because we'll soon round up with your own gist. For you now, how long acting don't be for you?
I've been in the industry since 2008.
2008 till present. That's
Yes.
about, let's say, another 8 years. So now you
Yeah,
don't already
about.
dey inside the industry. About 8 years so far. But the future now for Naomi, what will they see in the future? At least 2016 just starts. But I don't say maybe somehow you personally get your own, maybe your personal project where you would like to hand for in the future.
That's right. I don't want to end up being just an actor. I want to also produce.
Okay.
Give people the chance to act. Because
Okay.
every day I keep getting, please, I want to act, connect me,
Definitely.
do this.
Yes.
I can't connect everybody. But if I have my own production firm, I can give you the opportunity to come and
Do stuff.
showcase your
Your
talent,
talent,
you
okay.
know, give them the opportunity to act, and then I just love to produce in the nearest future and direct a movie as well.
Produce and direct your own movies.
My own movies and other people's job as well.
Okay. Because I think that for anybody where I feel say they into this line won't are the future for anybody. Some people they even do them side by side, you know. Some people even produce movies with themselves, we even see future inside. Just to sell the market. Because last now your market with that. You know, guy wants to look up.
You're right. though.
But on a final note now, you're kind of man. What do you mean Naomi kind of guy? So that just in case, like I talked earlier, people feel just good, they write notes down to work on. So what do you mean? What was saying Naomi kind of guy?
My kind of guy must be...
Naomi called the rub hand though. I say, hey! I say, nah, this is guy.
My kind of guy must be hardworking.
Okay. You must. Now they hear now. You must be hardworking. Not be say you just sit down for us to play draft. Then they come outside, they wear jeans and say, man, I'm a big boy.
Sure.
And then, no. You must be hardworking. We see the year.
Must be hardworking. You must have a bright future. You must be focused. I like someone who don't relent on where he is at the moment.
Okay.
Or just believe in past glory.
Okay.
I like someone who works towards new things.
New
and
things. They
yeah,
set goals on ground.
Exactly.
They pursue things, they happen.
Yeah. And then you have God beside you.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
They
That's
like
fine.
godly people too.
Yes.
All these things, I get the criteria. Easy bit. You know, I feel it. You
Very
understand?
good. Very, very good.
Yeah. And she said she like focused.
Focus. Very focused guy.
Focus guys.
Focus.
You know? Focus. I don't like that word too much because focus. Yeah. You know, more just no one to stretch them. You understand? Because sometimes some words they will the censor for this place. Sometimes.
okay.
You know? So I say focus.
No, but he has to be focused.
Yes, he has to. Yeah, before.
Just
he must
focus.
he must know he has to be
Focus.
dedicated towards his work and end up
concentrate.
Yeah, you know. And he like his work very well.
Very, very well.
And dedicate his life
joke with it.
and everything to the work.
Don't joke with
he
it.
must they forget to not joke. Naomi, how does it reach out top social media? People won't follow you gist.
Okay, my Instagram handle is Nkechi Emmanuel.
Okay.
And then on Facebook, Naomi Nkechi Emmanuel.
Okay.
On Twitter, Nkechi Emmanuel 1.
Nkechi's the one I know. I know them for one thing.
What is that?
I know go talk.
Not talking more.
I know go talk.
Ah.
NK. I just say NK. She said, that means, oh. Naomi, thank you for coming. You're already in shock already. No, my man, I just mess with you. Thank you, say you follow us on top of the show. And they wish you the best. And I'll say, of course, the future, they're very, very bright for Naomi / Nkechi. But Nkechi name, well, Naomi, now Nkechi, they call you for us, Abi.
Yes, I love my Igbo name, Nkechi. I prefer that.
You prefer that one, Abi? What will be your own traditional name?
Don't worry.
Talker.
No
We know that. We know that Benin name. Talker.
Erosa now.
Erosa.
No, it's not. I tell you, no. You never even pronounce
Erosa.
it.
No,
Erosa.
Erosa. So now EGH.
Yes.
Now.
Erosa.
Erosa.
That's nice.
Yeah. I mean, you are the shame for the
Wait
name
till your
originally.
name.
My own.
Yeah.
Ngezilonye. Hey, that's it. Tick. Now, me one more time. Thank you, say for us there on top of the show.
Thank you for
And,
having me.
really,
I am
really
so
appreciate
grateful.
You. Continue to do the beautiful work we they do. Yeah. And God will carry they go higher.
Amen.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, when they come back, no go anywhere. The late night show still continue, and I carry my second guest inside the building. This one, a guy, na man, na bone to bone. Yeah. So. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry